CodeIgniter has long been a favorite among PHP developers who prefer a lighter weight framework. It has a very small footprint and does little more than enforce the MVC pattern, but it also has many components that help with rapid application development. In December of 2014, CodeIgniter's management changed from Ellis Lab, a company, to British Columbia Institute of Technology. CodeIgniter 3 is currently a release candidate. However, the latest stable release is version 2.2, so that's what we'll be using in this course. CodeIgniter, also called CI, has a couple of different licenses. From version 2.2 and previously, it used a special open source license, which is what they call copyleft, which basically means if you do any changes, you need to upload those changes publicly. Starting in 3.0, the license will be moved to MIT, which is much more flexible. CI was a very popular framework at one point, but it stalled a little bit in development and now is behind some of the other frameworks. Some of the ways it's behind is it doesn't even support back to 5.3, which includes a lot of the object-oriented elements of PHP. It doesn't integrate Composer at all. There's no support for the PSR standards, and it doesn't use built-in namespaces. Because it's lightweight, this can be very easy in the sense that it can be very flexible. This can help with working with hosted environments. It's also highly decoupled, which means you can use as much or as little of the framework as you like. It's not strict in terms of enforcing usage or coding rules. This can be a benefit in terms of development because it's flexible. However, some have looked at it as a fault because one CI app can look very different from another. There are also a number of libraries built in. They can do all kinds of things from image manipulation to encryption and shopping cart functionality. CI is considered a lightweight MVC framework for PHP. It's currently at version 2.2 with 3.0 coming any day now. While it may have fallen behind somewhat in the last couple of years, it's under new management, has a number of components available, and was loved by many for a number of years. Let's dive in and see what CodeIgniter has to offer.